Hi, I'm Robert with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll be looking at the control transformer on the Samsung induction range. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. Symptoms of a bad control transformer would be that you would have no display, or the icons around the display that would be normally red would not illuminate. You would have to examine your control transformer to see that it was bad. To begin this repair, you must move the range out of its spot. Now that we have access to the rear of the range, we're going to remove the control cover panel. It's held in by 5 number 2 Phillips screws. There's 2 on either side and 1 in the center on the top.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.